an IKEA hack day! Why is everything always so heavy? First of all, we should all go and say thank you to Melissa Tangay for sending me this on Instagram because this mirror is super cool and we can remake it so easily. It goes on the market for $1,700 and I'm pretty sure that we can remake this for like $50. It's from the brand Moustache and it is the Zodiac mirror. I actually found out about their brand just through this mirror and I got a little bit obsessed with it. So I'm probably gonna make a few things from their line in the future. Now, let's start. Step 1, unpacking. The only material we need for this tutorial is aluminium paper and some joint compound. The reason we're using this is because the joint compound is extremely heavy and it's gonna make our mirror super heavy. So to avoid the fact that it's gonna become 10 to 20 kilos if you want to fill it all up with that, we're gonna create a base out of this that is super light and then cover it in that. This girl stopped going to CrossFit as soon as Corona started and I cannot lift 100 kilos anymore. Little pro tip, once you arrive to this metallic frame over here, so where you're gonna put your screws, that's the place where you're gonna mark with your marker where you wanna stop and you're gonna create the bottom part and the top part bubbly thing that it stops. It's important that you do it here because otherwise the ceramic could just slide from the side. Instead, we need to get it stuck over here. So go to the bottom, stick it here. With the entire base, and what is left to do is to cover it with our marbly ceramic-y effect. It's not going to be ceramic because that's too expensive, but let's go. Before we go any further, let's take a second to thank my Patreon subscribers. Filming this. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not done it yet because there's amazing DIYs coming out every single week. And turn on that notification bell. And now, let's go see the results.